New Martyr John the Craftsman. February 26. A devout craftsman in Constantinople endures torture and martyrdom rather than renounce his Christian faith under false accusation. A heads up in the spirit of transparency. Please be advised that this content may include torture, physical violence, persecution, and execution. From the Peloponnesian village of Galata, a young man named John embarked on a life marked by piety and devotion to the Orthodox Christian faith. From his earliest years, he cultivated a reverence for God, nurturing within himself the seeds of spiritual steadfastness. As he matured, seeking opportunity, John journeyed from his homeland to Constantinople, the imperial city, then under Ottoman rule. There he applied himself to the craft of a caulker, earning his livelihood through honest labor. In Constantinople, John became known for his diligent work. However, his skill and upright conduct attracted the envy of another master builder, an Albanian who had previously renounced Christianity for Islam. This envious individual harbored ill will against John. Driven by malice, he approached the Grand Vizier with a grave and false accusation. He claimed that John had initially expressed an intention to convert to Islam, but had subsequently recanted his promise. In the legal framework of the Ottoman Empire, such an act was deemed a capital offense, punishable by death. Upon this accusation, John was arrested and brought before the Grand Vizier. The Vizier questioned him regarding the charges. With unwavering resolve, John confessed his identity as a Christian. He declared that he would never deny Christ, whom he proclaimed as the true God, the creator of all things visible and invisible. He stated that his faith was steadfast and unchangeable. The vizier, witnessing John's firm confession, sought to persuade him to abandon his Christian faith. He presented John with offers of worldly advancement and material rewards, contrasting them with threats of severe suffering if he persisted in his refusal to convert. Yet John remained resolute, his spirit anchored in Christ. Enraged by John's steadfastness, the vizier ordered him to be subjected to torture. John endured a brutal beating with rods, a torment that tore his flesh and broke his bones. Each blow was a test of his commitment to Christ, and through it all, he did not falter. His body suffered greatly, but his spirit remained unbroken, offering a silent witness to the truth of his confession. He bore the pain with the grace given to those who suffer for righteousness, demonstrating the power of faith to transcend physical agony. Having endured these horrific tortures, John was condemned to death. He was led to a place known as Parmak Kapi. There, in that designated place, he met his end through beheading. This martyric death occurred on February 26, 1575. Through his sacrifice, St. John the Craftsman, also known as John Calphus, received the unfading crown of martyrdom from Christ his Lord. His life serves as a testament to the enduring power of faith in the face of persecution, a witness to the truth of the gospel, and an example of unwavering fidelity to God even unto death.